We can initiate right away. I'm starting with one of the products I chose for the winter box. This product is specifically selected to cater to the needs and preferences of our customers during the colder months. By starting now, we ensure timely delivery and maximize customer satisfaction. It's just the beginning of an exciting lineup of amazing products to come in the winter box. Stay tuned for more. At this stage, you are completely free. I will only show you how to use the products. Now you can paste. Before starting the cutting, I wanted to show you the beauty of these scissors. I'm trying to cut the edges carefully and neatly. If desired, you can cut circles later. I'm leaving it till the end. I want to proceed with another product included in the winter box. As the products increase, your options for phone cases also increase. I wanted to show you these. Look at the sweetness of this. I want to use this, and I'm looking for something simpler. This could be. You are completely free in settlement matters. I am even making a plan on how to set it up beforehand. Maybe it could be like this. Now we can start pasting. This feature makes my job much easier. I am pasting carefully. And I back it. I'm applying the same method for the rest too. I'm flipping it to achieve a cleaner cut. Yet another item featured in the exquisite winter collection this season. This caught my eye. I definitely want to use this. I also want to show you other products. An inner voice is indicating that I must establish a permanent residence in this location. I desire the remaining papers to be positioned slightly higher, and I desire the text to be perceptible. I'm careful to cut from bottom while cutting. I would like to include this case to add some color to this piece. It was unexpected for me when I observed the item at a later time. I would like to include this as well. I requested 2 steps to be placed symmetrically. You can make multiple cuts when producing a phone case. I used to leave it to the end, but this time I wanted to cut it, because it can be beneficial in terms of seeing. I also want to take a look at the stickers before finishing, because the colors overwhelmed me. Allow us to take a look at what is contained within this. Let us examine the contents and see what is inside. We will explore and discover what is concealed within this object. They are all for sale from New Year's and they are very cute. To be honest, I really don't know which one to choose. I want to take a closer look and examine them a little bit before deciding. My mind is stuck in these 3. I want to find out by experimenting. I am cutting the white image on the edges so that it does not disrupt the color scheme of the page. I had a positive impression of the first option. I am interested in viewing the others as well. It is clear that this is not the perfect choice for me. I am attempting the second choice, and it appears pleasant to me. We should additionally examine the alternative one. Considering the final option. I liked this too. I think I will experience some indecision. Actually, I loved them all, but I will use this one. Finally, I would like to add a note to the small file. This piece will not be damaged because I am able to use the top later. I'm thinking of adding my writing and finishing my page. Finally, I will trim the circles. Sometimes I struggle with shaping, but it can become smoother with the method I showed you. Practice makes perfect. Now I am enhancing the visibility of the circles with the method I just implemented. At the same time, we are ready to mold others, and we can start placing them now. I hope you enjoyed it and this video has been helpful for you. Goodbye everyone.